You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this famous brand of tequila. If you want to learn more names from tequila, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So we'll look at the Mexican Spanish pronunciation, Patron Tequila. Patron. Yes, you have an accent on the O, meaning that you stress on that on syllable. Patron. Therefore, in English, it's not patron, it's not patron, it's patron. Patron Tequila. Patron. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.